Well, I'll probably get videotape some lightning here. If there's any good lightning here. Oh. So far, no wind. I'm taking it indoors for this time because I don't want to get electrocuted. I stand back from the window a little bit. I always say to stay away from windows. Oh, the air conditioner is on, yeah. Oops, almost quit the recording. So far, nothing yet. Whoa! Sorry I didn't get that one. Whoa. The big one you missed. I need to work on my video skills. Actually, the clouds are darker than what they seem on the video. It's on automatic mode. Alright, I'm going to videotape when a good storm's coming in, when there's a lot of rain and a lot of wind. And if there's any more, if there's just lightning and that's it, then I'm not going to videotape any more. Because right now we're just getting lightning. So, videotape when it gets really bad out.